How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can reset your Sony MHC party speaker. So it's extremely simple to do this. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to unplug your device from the outlet itself. And you can also make sure that you plug the power cord out of the back of your speaker. From there, you simply want to plug it back on after around maybe 10 seconds to 1 minute to make sure that all of the power drains out. Turn it back on, and then we want to press two buttons simultaneously for around 3 to 5 seconds. So those buttons is going to be the Fiesta button and the guitar button. Of course, it's going to be a little bit different for other models, but generally it's going to be around this area of the speaker. So in here, you have your guitar and Fiesta. You could just simply look for it. And then from there, your Bluetooth or your speaker will light up, indicating a successful reset. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.